Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mubeen Shah and you are on the page English with Mubeen. Most of the students requested me to share some advanced structures. So today I'm going to present a syntactic analysis of a sentence given by Burton Roberts in his book Syntax. You must buy this book. This is a very interesting book for the advanced learners. So the very first word that you must remember, it is advanced with d sound at the end. Advanced English or advanced structures, not advanced. You have to use this d sound at the end. So the sentence is the man you paid to do it has been arrested. Whenever you see any sentence, divide it into two parts. Syntax tells you about this. Actually, we have to draw some syntactic trees, but I would try to make the things easier for you. So S means sentence. So sentence can be divided into two parts. First, NP, noun phrase. Second, VP, verb phrase. In easy words, we have studied SVO structure. SVO means S comes here like subject, and in VP, verb plus object. Both come here. So in other easy words, this is subject and this is predicate. If you divide it into two parts, we have subject and predicate. If you are able to divide a sentence into two parts, you start understanding any kind of advanced English structure. So let's see, most of the beginners would think about it. They would say this is subject probably, because after subject we see helping verb or a main verb, like has been, can be a helping verb. So it has been arrested. This sentence makes some sense. It has been arrested. That means isko giraftar kar liya gaya hai. It has been arrested. But this sentence, the above sentence, is technically difficult to understand. Why? The reason I tell you. In this sentence, a noun phrase has been used, a longer noun phrase, and that noun phrase can be used as a subject, whole noun phrase. Then the sentence would give you a different meaning. Let me put brackets here. Brackets can clarify the meaning of this sentence. The man you paid to do it. Here comes the bracket. Like the man you paid to do it. आदमी जिसको आपने पे किया ये करने के लिए. So this is whole noun phrase, and this noun phrase can actually be replaced with he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Like the girl you paid to do it. The people you paid to do it. The men can be can be plural as well. The men you paid to do it. आदमी ज़्यादा आदमी जिनको आपने पे किया ये करने के लिए, can be any kind of project. Okay, but this sentence shows something negative is going to happen there because the person has been arrested. The man you paid to do it has been arrested. So you see the sentence like this: he has been arrested. Okay, is that easy to understand? In order to understand this bigger sentence, we have to divide this small sentence into two parts. I have already told you a sentence can be divided into two parts, noun phrase and verb phrase. So here this is subject or noun phrase, he is subject, and this is complete verb phrase, has been arrested. So this can be written as this: has been arrested. Has been arrested. In linguistics or in syntax, we have different tree diagrams, but for your understanding, I have taken it as a whole. Has been arrested is a verb phrase. So this is noun phrase, so we have replaced this noun phrase with he, the man you paid to do it. So whenever you see the or the, a and the, in other words, if you see determiners, you must have to understand there would be a noun just after that, or a whole noun phrase, this noun or a whole noun phrase. Okay, let me say that again. If you see any determiner like a, and, the, this, that, even these, those, you would probably and most probably see a noun or a noun phrase in after that determiner. So here is a noun, the man. Okay, so we say the man. This can be a noun phrase. The man has been arrested. Now you can understand this sentence very easily. The man has been arrested. The man has been arrested. आदमी गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया. If you are trying to give more explanation of that man, the man you paid to do it, the man who was paid to do it has been arrested. Like जिस आदमी को पे किया गया उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है. यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट हमने लगा दिया the man you paid to do it. यहाँ से एक मज़ीद एक सेंटेंस निकलता है. ये सेंटेंस है you paid, you सब्जेक्ट है, ठीक है, और paid उसका वर्ब है, paid वर्ब, आगे उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन है paid to do it. So now what you have to do, you found a sentence probably from a newspaper, probably from any novel. Just try to relate it with other sentences as well. Moreover, you have to make similar sentence structures. For example, the girl you asked to help, okay, has refused. The girl you asked to help for the assignment has refused. It does not mean that the assignment has refused. It actually means the girl has refused. So let's see another sentence. The lady you saw, the lady you saw in the lift was my cousin. So you might understand that lift was my cousin. No, never. Lift was never my cousin, but the lady you saw in the lift was my cousin. That means the lady was my cousin. So somebody asks you, who is that lady? So the lady you saw. Let's see a similar example. The man you asked to pay the bill. Asked to pay the bill has gone. That means you are eating something at a restaurant with some of your friends, but you asked somebody to pay the bill. Might be your friend Ahmed, Ali, or anyone. You asked him to pay the bill because it was his turn today. But after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, the waiter comes to you and says you that, sir, the man you had asked to pay the bill has just gone. कि जिस आदमी को आपने बिल पे करने के लिए कहा था वो जा चुका है. Now please you pay. So वो आगे further आपको कह रहा है कि अब आप पे करें. So for better practice, we are trying to use the same structure pattern for different contexts. Let me put it into real context. For example, you are watching my lecture right now. So we can simply say the lecture you are watching right now is getting viral. Like people are sharing it. So same structure. So here we have used past tense. Here past tense, you paid to do it. So but I have changed the tense. So you can change the tenses as well according to the situation. So here the situation is past, but right now the situation is continuous, like the action is going on right now. The lecture you are watching right now has gone viral. So I have used different tense here. Has gone viral is completed action. Like viral ho gaya hai, viral chala gaya hai. So very easy. This is a very easy way to learn English, especially advanced structures. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Take care. Bye.